Good day mga kapatid. Mm, you see, marami ang nagsasabing huwag tayo mag-celebrate ng Valentine's Day, pagan daw, immoral daw. But let's slow down kasi let's take this question. Ano ba talaga ang ating ginugunita? You see, the origin of a date on the calendar does not automatically determine the morality of what you do on that day. Oo, may historical debates about Saint Valentine. Some traditions connect it to ancient Roman festivals like Lupercalia. Pero ito pong key point. Even if a date once had pagan associations, that does not mean Christians cannot redeem it for the glory of God. Katunayan, that's exactly what the early church often did. Tinubos nila ang mga days and cultures at binigyan ng new meaning kay Kristo. Sabi nga ni Apostle Paul sa 1 Corinthians 8 verse 4, an idol is nothing at all in this world. So, hindi po kalendaryo ang issue diyan, kundi ang puso ng tao. Ngayon, bilang isang evangelical Christian, ako ay may asawa at may anak kami. When I commemorated this day, the Valentine's Day, hindi po natin sineselebrate yung paganism. We are not celebrating lust. We are celebrating covenant love. I celebrate faithfulness. I celebrate that kind of love that reflects Christ and His church. Kaya nga sa Ephesians 5 verse 25, husbands, love your wives, just as Christ loved the church and gave Himself up for her. Yan ay biblical na pamantayan. Ang problem kasi minsan, ang Valentine's Day sa kultura ay nagiging tungkol sa romansa pero walang responsibilidad, passion pero walang covenant, feelings pero walang commitment. Hindi po yung biblical na pagmamahal. Ang definition nito ay radically different from the world's definition. And if we read in 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4 to 7, malino eh. Love is patient, love is kind, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking. So ang pagmamahal talaga hindi primarily hindi po yung nararamdaman. Ito yung desisyon. It's an act of the will. It's sacrifice. You see my friends, sa Greek, may iba't ibang salita para sa love. Ang eros, romantic, phileo, brotherly love. At ang agape, self-giving love. Ang pinakamataas na form, simple, agape. At yan yung pagmamahal na ipinakita ng Panginoong Jesus sa krus. Kaya nga sa John 3:16, for God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have everlasting life. Siyempre sa akin bilang isang lalaki na may asawa, ipinapaalala sa akin ng araw na ito na ang pagmamahal ko sa aking asawa ay hindi lang kilig, hindi lang flowers and chocolates. It's faithfulness when it's hard. It's forgiveness when there's conflict. It's leadership with humility. At bilang isang ama, gusto kong makita ng aming anak kung anong tunay na love. I want my child to see that biblical love is pure, protective, and covenantal. Balang araw, syempre, hindi mahuhulog ang aming anak sa counterfeit love na puro emotion lang kaso walang commitment. So, should Christians celebrate the Valentine's Day? Pero itong pinaka-the best question na dapat nating itanong sa ating sarili. Can we celebrate it in a way that honors Christ? If yes, then celebrate it to the glory of God. So mga kapatid, if someone's conscience says, don't celebrate, walang problema, fine. Romans 14 allows liberty of conscience, but let's not bind others where Scripture does not bind them. My friends, ang Valentine's Day ay hindi po inherently pagan. Immorality is. And immorality can happen any day of the year. Kaya siya sa February 14 man yan o hindi. And my friends, the real message of love is not found in the Hallmark cards. It's found on the cross of Christ. Because the greatest Valentine in history is not Saint Valentine. It is Jesus Christ who demonstrated perfect love by laying down his life for his bride. And if we model that kind of love in our marriage, like what I had with my wife and also in our families, like what we have in our child, at yes, in our witness to the world, then every day, every single day becomes an opportunity to reflect the greatest love story ever told. And that's the biblical view of love. And that's something worth celebrating. Happy Valentine's Day mga kapatid.